Hello, Embroidery for Beginners. Today we're going to download a file from our computer to the SE625. So I purchased some files from Etsy and I'm going to download the file. So you just click download. And then we're going to come over here to where it downloaded, and it'll be in your download folder, and we're going to click show in folder, and then there the file is. So we're going to cut it, and I'm going to put it onto my desktop, and I named it desktop 2019. So then we'll click paste. And then we're going to go and open it up. So then what we're going to do is double click, and then you're going to see the extract all. So we're going to highlight it and then hit extract all. And then what that's going to do is open up a file with all of the different file types and different sizes. So today we're going to be working on the SE625. So I need a PES 4x4, which is right here. So I'm going to click that. I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to go find my USB port, which I already have plugged in. And I'm going to go, I clicked on the USB, the D drive, which is where my USB is. Yours may be different. But just look for a USB driver. And then we're going to go down and find the file folder SE625. And then we're going to paste it. As you can see, I already have one in there. And that's because I tried doing this video a little bit earlier and my battery ran out. So I'm going to replace, just so we can redo it again. And now the folder is in the USB drive, ready to be moved over to my machine. But before you do that, you're going to want to click and find your USB driver over on and remove it safely. So you're going to click that, and then you're going to hit eject. And now it's safe to remove my hardware. So I'm going to come over here and pull it out of my machine. And this is what the USB looks like. And then we're going to come over to our machine and we're going to plug this in. And then we're going to hit we're going to go to our screen prompts. And then you're going to look for this little guy. And then I'm going to scroll through and find my folder that I created, the SE625. And it's right here. And then there is my file that I'm looking for. So I'm going to set it. And then now it's loaded, and now it's ready to start stitching. And obviously my hoop's not set up, but that's what tracing looks like. And before I start stitching, I'm going to want to move that light. Alright, I hope this helps.